gun! Get off my gun! Let's go for my gun! Let's go for my gun!
Just crashed into the Walmart!
On May 11, 2023, officers with the Fairfax County Police Department in Virginia responded to a dangerous and rapidly evolving incident involving a stolen U-Haul truck. We begin with store security camera footage from a gas station parking lot in the Mount Vernon district. According to investigators, the stolen vehicle triggered a license plate reader alert near Richmond Highway before officers located the U-Haul at the gas station. The suspect was later identified as 38-year-old Brandon Lamagne of Newport News, Virginia. Officer First Class Austin Madsen attempted to detain Lamagne for further investigation. What began as an investigative detention quickly escalated into a violent struggle over the officer's firearm. Investigators say Lamagne attempted to pull the officer's handgun from its holster while repeatedly assaulting him beside the patrol vehicle. During the struggle, the officer transmitted an emergency Signal 1 distress call over the police radio, indicating that he was in immediate danger. Responding officers rushed to the scene after hearing urgent radio traffic that the suspect may have gained control of the officer's firearm. We will now go to the body cam perspective of the officer involved.
Hey, sir.
Can I do something?
Driving a U-Haul?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you talk to me real quick over here? Of course. Alright, we're gonna go right over here, man.
What did I do?
What?
I said, what did I do?
Alright, face right here. Alright? Right now you're being detained, okay? This report stolen.
Why? Since when?
You're not in arrest right now, you're just being detained, okay?
What's reported stolen?
Alright. 221 Bravo, hold the channel, send me a unit to Descano up here by North Walmart.
What the
Sir, you're good. Get off my gun. Signal one, go to my gun!
What's reported stolen?
Sir, get off my gun. Signal one, just start off. Signal one! Sir, you're not going to jail right now, right? Get off my gun.
I'm not going.
All units, we're going to call this Signal 1, no response to Bravo.
Look.
Get off my gun! Get off my gun! Let's go for my gun! Let's go for my gun!
Please just get back.
Get off my gun!
As backup officers arrived, the patrol vehicle could be seen reversing uncontrollably across the parking lot before crashing near a McDonald's. Fearing the suspect posed an immediate deadly threat, officers opened fire. We will now show the body cam footage from the responding officer's perspective.
Where is it? Just crashed into the Walmart! In the car! In the car! What car? What the SUV! In the SUV! Get down on the ground! Get down on the fucking ground! He's on top of me! Watch crossfire! Watch crossfire! You good, Ryan? Come here, brother. Here, brother. Let's go. Let's go.
Ryan, where are you shot?
Where you shot?
Tell me. Emergency traffic only.
Set him down.
921.
Hey, sit down.
Several shots fired. We got the guy.
Check me out.
Where are you shot?
I don't
We
know.
got an officer. Sit down. See if he's been hit. Everybody expedite. Go.
Where are you at?
Get the blowout kit out of the street. Keep going, man. Don't even bother. Leave him how he is.
I need the location.
Pendle. McDonald's.
Where are you hit, bro? Do you have any hit? I don't know.
Sharp rescue. Where's the guy at? He's right here. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. He's dead.
Figure that out right
Make sure he's good to go.
Can we confirm or any officer?
Hey, cut his pants off. That constitutes cut his pants off.
I'll check on an officer now.
Is he hit anywhere?
Brandon Lamagne was pronounced dead at the scene after suffering multiple gunshot wounds. The injured Fairfax County officer was treated and later returned to duty. Investigators say one responding officer opened fire after believing the trapped officer may have already been shot or critically injured inside the patrol vehicle. A second responding officer later pulled Lamagne off the trapped officer and fired additional rounds after believing he still posed an immediate deadly threat. On November 22, 2024, Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano announced that no criminal charges would be filed against the officers involved. The Fairfax County Independent Police Auditor later released a public report on June 11, 2025, concluding the officers' actions were lawful, objectively reasonable, and compliant with department policy. Legally, cases like this are commonly analyzed under Graham v. Connor and Tennessee v. Garner. Graham v. Connor states that police use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer during tense, uncertain, and rapidly evolving circumstances. Tennessee v. Garner further held that deadly force may be justified when officers reasonably believe a suspect poses a significant threat of death or serious bodily injury. From a tactical perspective, weapon retention fights are among the most dangerous encounters in law enforcement because situations can escalate to deadly force within seconds. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.